Millet khichdi or millet khara pongal I am making using foxtail millet here. You can use barnyard millet or little millet. Millets are rich in protein and fiber and hence they make for a great breakfast option for children who have to stay energetic throughout the day. I have taken moong dal or yellow lentil here in a pressure pan. Green chili, cumin, garlic and crushed ginger. Later I am adding turmeric powder, salt, coconut, mixing it, and before this I had soaked foxtail millet for a while and then I am adding it in here. I'll allow it to pressure cook for at least 2 whistles, and then on the other hand I am preparing the tempering. I have added ghee, oil, asafoetida or hing, pepper powder and cashew nuts. I add pepper powder because my kids don't like the crushed one. Once the tadka is ready, you can see that pongal is almost ready. I'll add lemon, coriander leaves chopped and the tadka to it, give it a quick mix and it is ready to be served. My kids took it for their snack box and lunch box and I promise it tastes delicious. So give it a try and let us know how you liked it.